A Limpopo municipal councillor has found himself back in police custody just after moments being released on bail in a high-profile corruption case. 34-year-old Nechibombe Gumani, a councillor at Thulamela municipality, was rearrested shortly after the Molopo Magistrates Court in Mahikeng granted him 10,000 rand bail. The arrest was carried out by Makhado police on an outstanding warrant relating to allegations of theft by false pretense. Earlier, Gumani had appeared in court after being arrested for allegedly attempting to bribe a Special Investigating Unit (SIU) investigator with 70,000 rand. Prosecutors allege the payment was intended to influence an investigation into municipal tenders at Mahikeng local municipality. He is expected to return to court on the 18th of September 2026. According to investigators, Gumani allegedly acted on behalf of Anacor Trading, a company linked to financial transactions uncovered during the SIU's investigation into municipal contracts. The SIU claims that a service provider received approximately 179 million rand from Mahikeng local municipality before transferring 28 million rand to Anacor Trading, a company owned by Shahzad Mohammed Hussein, after Hussein was reportedly asked to explain the payment. The investigators allege he sent Gumani to influence the outcome of the investigation by offering a bribe to a SIU investigator. Acting SIU head Leonard Lekgetlo described the alleged bribery attempt as a serious attack on South Africa's justice system and anti-corruption efforts. He also commended the investigator for refusing the alleged bribe and handling the matter with professionalism and integrity. Following his release on bail, Gumani's legal troubles deepened when Makhado police immediately arrested him on an outstanding theft warrant. The charges stem from allegations that he solicited money from several business people in Limpopo, claiming the funds would support political activities linked to the 2014 Youth League conference held in Sekhukhune district. The bribery case remains before the Molopo Magistrates Court, while Gumani is also expected to face the separate theft allegations. As with all criminal matters before the courts, the accused remain presumed innocent unless proven guilty. Please comment your thoughts right below and tell me what do you think about this whole case. Thank you for watching.